Meaning of downwind.
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 Downwind. Downwind refers to the direction in which the wind is blowing. If an object is downwind of another object, it is located in the direction that the wind is traveling. The result of being downwind can vary depending on the situation. For example, if a fire is downwind of a building, smoke and flames may spread more quickly towards the building. On the other hand, if a sailboat is downwind of its destination, it may need to adjust its course in order to reach the intended location.